Mix minced meat, grated onion, grated garlic, egg, breadcrumbs, black pepper, ground cumin, paprika, and salt together thoroughly. Let it rest in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Shape the meat mixture into small meatballs and fry them in a pan with a little oil until fully cooked and browned. Remove them from the pan. In the same pan, add wheat flour and sauté until it releases its raw smell. Then add the diluted breakfast cream with milk, which is at room temperature, and whisk well. Add curry powder and salt, and continue to mix. Finally, pour in the meat broth or boiling water and whisk until the sauce thickens. Add the meatballs to the sauce and let it simmer for 5 minutes.